Want to know how to generate Pascal's triangle in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, a Pascal triangle. It's a regular triangular array of numbers where each number is the sum of the two numbers directly above it. In Java, we can generate it using nested loops. So in this program as well, we have used two loops, that is for int_i and int_j. These are the nested loops under which we have created int rows, that is 5. So the outer loop simply handles the rows, that is I, and the inner loop calculates each number using the formula number, that is number equals to number times I minus j divided by j plus 1. So you can just simply note this number down as it's important, or note this formula down. This formula is based on combinations and it helps us avoid using arrays. We print each number followed by a space, and after each row we go to a new line. Pascal's triangle is useful in combinatorics, probability, and even some programming problems. So it's a great exercise to practice loops and arithmetic logics. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.